What's up, guys? Got another Amazon review for you today. Nice little hose. Summer's right around the corner, so we gotta get ready, gotta get the grass all ready. First of all, it comes with these little attachments here. Great for replacements. These are gonna be for the faucet there. And then this little guy here is gonna help for any leaks. It also comes with a rack as well. Mount this on the wall or outside. That way you can hang out the hose. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The actual design here, we actually have the water going, so it's 50 feet of hose. That way you can reach all areas of your grass. Obviously we have it off here, so we're gonna turn this knob here, and it's gonna turn it on. Turn it on here, and it's gonna have all these different adjustments here, and I'll go through them here. Nice little center, a full. Here's a flat. The shower, that'd be good for the garden. There's a cone, the jet, the soaker, the angle. There's a nice little mist, the grass for the flowers. Yeah, all the different ones there. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna finish watering the grass here. Nice and green for the summer. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.